Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS Menu Hover Effects. Let's start to code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and title is CSS Hover Effect. Inside the body, we want add a div and inside this span and we want to type home. Let's copy this div and paste it 3 times. And we want to change this courses and this is about and finally this is contact. Save the file, refresh, the menus are visible. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing is border box. Save the file, refresh, the margin is okay. Let's start to style our body. Inside this, display flex, justify content space around, align item center, height 100 VH, width 100% and background color #262626 FF. Save the file, refresh, the background color is okay. Let's start to style our div. Inside this, display flex, justify content center, align item center and position is relative and height 100 pixel, width 200 pixel and font size is 50 pixel, font weight bold and font family is cursive and we want a border 5 pixel solid and color is transparent and we want add letter spacing 2 pixel, color gray and cursor is pointer. Save the file, refresh, menu is okay. Let's start to style our span. Inside this, display block, position absolute and height 10 pixel and width 10 pixel and we want at bottom 0, left 0. Let's create div hover. Inside this, color was white. Save the file, refresh, the hover effect is working. Let's create div hover span. Inside this, transition property all and transition duration 0.5 second, transition timing function linear and we want at background color lime and width 100% and border radius is 10 pixel and we want to add box shadow that was 1 pixel, 40 pixel and color was line. Save the file, refresh, the menu is looking good. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.